Hello, hello, and welcome to today's lesson. Today we're continuing our Thanksgiving theme. We're going to be drawing a slice of apple pie. You can follow along with the picture on the left. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with the left side of the pie. We're going to be starting on the top. So for that, we're just going to draw a curved line over, just like that right there. And then we're going to come out a little bit longer. All right, so that is our shape so far. And then we're going to come down on the right side, just bring it straight down. And then we're going to come over, but we don't want to bring it straight across because pies aren't going to be straight. They're going to have a little bit of wave into them, so this doesn't have to be perfect. Just draw the line straight across just like that. And then we're going to bring it up. Make sure it's inside of this line a little bit. And then we're going to bring it over. Again, follow the curve of this line here. So just follow that line and then bring it right into the point there. So that is our shape so far. So this is going to be the inside of our apple pie filling. This is the start of the top of the crust. And then we're going to do the bottom of the crust. For that, just come right down here below this line. Bring it down on the right. And then again, we're just following the curve of this line. So just come down on the bottom and follow that curve. Then we're going to go past this here, because remember this is the crust and this is the inside of the filling. So we want to go bring the crust out a little bit and then come straight up. And then we're going to stop right here. And then we want to add our crust. For that, come right at this point here and draw a curve out. We're going to do a few of these all the way across. 1, 2, and 3, and then we're just going to bring it right back down into the other side of the pie here. So that is the top of our crust. And then we want to give it a little more shape, so right where it meets here in this V shape, we're going to come down and draw a little hook. Same thing on this side, just come down and draw a little hook. And that is the beginning of our pie. Now we can go ahead and add the apples for the apple filling. For that, we're going to draw a half circle. We're just going to draw a bunch of these kind of randomly in the pie. So just come across and stop here at this line and just kind of imagine that going all the way across. We're just going to come in and draw some random apple shapes as if you were to cut these and stick these in here. So do these random. Some of them can hang over the crust just like that. So just come straight across just like that. Curve it up. Bring it down, maybe another little line in here, curve this one in a little bit. So we're just kind of making this look like random slices of apples, and this one can overhang a little bit. These don't have to be exactly like mine, this is just give you an idea. So I'm going to finish putting in these random shapes here. Alright, so there are our apples for our apple pie. Now we can go ahead and erase some of these lines overlapping. Okay, so there's our apple shapes for our pie filling. And then we want to separate the side of the pie from the top. For that, we're just going to come up here and draw another little line. Just like that. It doesn't have to go to the end on either side. This just separates the top from the side. And for this slice of pie, we want to put in a scoop of ice cream on top. So for that, we're going to start with a circle. So just draw a circle right on top of the pie. Just like that, and that's going to be the start of our scoop. We can go ahead and erase these lines in the center of the circle there. Alright, so now that we have the start of our scoop, we want to make it look like it's kind of melting on top of the pie. For that, we're going to come off on the left side of the circle here, bring it down and out, and then curve it in, just like that. So down, out, and in. Then we're going to do another one. We're going to curve it up and down, and back in again, just like that right there. And then we're going to come off the right side. And this one we want it to look like it's hanging over the slice of pie. So we're going to bring it out and down. And we're going to stop it right at the top of the pie here. And then we're going to hook it and bring it right into the curve. So you can see it kind of looks like it's melting over the side of the pie. And then we can erase this part of the circle here, and we can add the face. All right, for the face, we're going to draw 2 large eyes. Let's start on the left and draw a little arch for the left eye. Come over on the right side and draw another little arch. And then bring it up and down on each side. So this is the outside of the eye. And then inside, we're going to draw 1 large circle. And then we'll do a smaller circle. A large reflection and a small one. Same thing on this side, draw 1 large circle and then 1 small circle, and then a large reflection and a little reflection. And then we're going to put cheeks on this scoop. So for that, just draw a little circle on the left. That's the left cheek. Same thing on the right. And then we're going to give her a little mouth. So that, just draw a little curve up and draw it back down and connect it on top. And to make this look more like a girl, we're just going to give her some eyelashes. So come up and just draw 3 little arches on each side to make her look like a girl. And then on this side here, we're going to have a cinnamon stick sticking out. So for that, just come out, draw a line straight up. Then we want to draw a line right by it. This one's going to be narrow, and then we're going to draw it wide. So just come out and draw it on the bottom and bring it out wide. And then we're just going to connect it with the little arch. And then here we're going to come in and we're going to draw the number 6, but we're not going to connect it. So we want to stop just like that. So that is our shape so far. 1 line on the top, 1 line on the bottom, connect it with an arch, and then draw your 6. And we're not going to stop it because we want to bring it down just like that. We want to make it look like the cinnamon stick is curling in. So bring 1 line down, come out here on the other side and bring a line down. And then right here, we're going to bring another line all the way down, just like that right there. And we're going to bring it right past the ice cream line. And just draw a little curve there. And that makes it look like the cinnamon stick is sitting inside the ice cream. And there you have a quick and easy apple pie slice for Thanksgiving. Now all we need to do is outline it and we'll add our color. All right, here's our finished picture. We hope you enjoyed the lesson, and if you'd like to see more videos like these, please consider subscribing to support the channel. And remember, be kind, work hard, and keep drawing, and we'll see you next time. Thanks!